Hi, welcome to Posture Perfect. I'm Dr. Carr, and today I'm going to be talking about pregnancy and chiropractic care. I have a patient here who we've been treating throughout her pregnancy, so I just want to talk about a few things of why it's good to be under care while you're pregnant. So now I'm going to have you go face down for me, okay? Lay on your stomach. So as your body shifts and grows to accommodate the baby, your pelvis and spine might become a little misaligned. This can prevent the baby from moving into the correct position during birth. So when you visit the chiropractor during your pregnancy, it can help to eliminate sciatica, prevent nausea, reduce the chance of a C-section, and lower the amount of the time spent in labor. So with this particular spinal adjustment, I'm going to shift her pelvis back into the correct alignment to maximize the baby's space to grow and also give her some relief for her lower back pain.